Hi everybody, Chef Kirk here, MWR, Naval Base Ventura County. I'm back. Today I thought I'd show you one of my favorite appetizers. It's seared shrimp cakes with sweet corn sauce. So let's get into it. So first we're going to make our shrimp cakes. So for that we're going to need half of a bell pepper, half a red bell pepper, half a cup of diced onion, tablespoon of garlic, half a cup of green onions, half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. This is 1 pound of shrimp. It's raw and I diced it small. If you need to, you could use a food processor, but the texture is a little off when you do it that way. And this is 2 eggs. So first off, I guess I should say that these first 3 items, garlic, onion, red bell pepper, those are all going to be sauteed. I've done that ahead of time, so we'll put that in. Green onions, mayonnaise, our eggs, and our panko, and a little bit of salt and pepper. You can use a spoon or you can just get in there with your hands. Since I'm trying not to get too messy for this video, I thought I'd try it with a spoon. There you go. You'll see that it looks pretty loose. That's okay. We're going to put it in the fridge, and that'll firm it up a little bit. But then once you cook it and the shrimp get all cooked, then it'll make it more tender than adding a whole bunch of panko breadcrumbs or more than you need. So I let it stay loose like this. Once it cooks, it'll firm up. And so I'm going to saute this. I'm going to make little pucks. So it looks like this now. You probably get 6 to 8 of these. You can make small ones, turn them into sliders. You can make little appetizer ones, little hors d'oeuvre ones. You can eat it as a meal. I like to do it as an appetizer. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm going to show you how we make our corn sauce. So for that, we start with these ingredients here. We've got a tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of onion, 2 cups of corn, 2 cups of heavy cream, and then we'll have salt and pepper. And then this is half of an orange, fresh juice from half of an orange. So first off, what we're going to do, we're going to saute our onions and our garlic. First we'll start with the onions and let them get caramelized. Then we'll add the garlic to it. So let that cook for a while. Once that's cooked down, we're not going to just stand here and wait for it because it'll take a long time. We'll add, once those are all cooked down, giving off their flavor, we're going to add the corn. We'll cook that for about 3 minutes longer. Once the corn's all starting to get all nice and good, get a little color, it's mixed in with the onions and the garlic, then we're going to add our heavy cream. Now we're going to let that cook until it's reduced by half. And then we get thick and creamy and get a little darker. Then we take it, pull it back off, I'll go ahead and pull it off now. We'll pretend it's cooked for, that'll take about 15 minutes until it reduces by half. We'll add a little bit of salt and pepper. Orange juice. Now, this all goes into the blender and we'll puree it all up. I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. We'll flip this back in. But it's nice and thick because that cream is cooked down. Now it's got sweeter and it's more dense, and the corn is all pureed in there. It's rich, sweet, and delicious. So my shrimp cake is almost ready. Let me show you how we plate this now. Make sure you got a fancy plate, like this one. You see our shrimp cake's got a nice little color on it. Sizzling. You want to make sure it's 165 degrees. Make sure it's safe, cooked all the way through. Place that right there. Going to garnish a little bit. Voila! Seared shrimp cakes with sweet corn sauce. Try it. Hope you like it. Any questions? Please just have a message and I'll address it. Thanks a lot.